company who makes the consoles you buy once you already have an Xbox, PC, or PlayStation. Comes a game so good it made you spend $30 on a real Ocarina at Anime Expo, then give up learning how to play it after 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm not gonna kid with you guys. This is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Ever since I first started playing the Ocarina of Time, which I think was back in like the early 2000s when they re-released it on the GameCube with that Master's Edition or Special Edition. But I remember that me and my dad would play this game for hours on end. And every time we got to play a little song on the Ocarina or learn a new one, I was absolutely thrilled to do it. But after we beat that game, I realized that a lot of the songs were still stuck in my head. And so it kept being a reoccurring thought that I should get an Ocarina, I should learn how to play it. Well, today is that day. So I gotta say, I am actually really impressed with the way this one looks. It was only like 26 bucks on Amazon, and it actually looks legitimately like the Ocarina of Time. I haven't tried blowing in it yet. I don't even know how to hold it, so let's see what this sounds like.
Watch out!
The following sounds you're about to hear are legal in 45 different countries and have been known to cause dizziness, nausea, temporary blindness, loss of reality, stinging in the left eye, stampedes of small lemurs, flat tires, a 10% increase in income taxes, death to all asparagus, flying spiders, World War III, and intense bouts of anger.
That sounds pretty cool. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll be completely honest with you guys. I have no idea how this thing works. Now, because this one is modeled after the one in OCT, it came with this little booklet that has almost, I think, all of the songs that were in the game. So my goal is to try and learn my top 3 favorite songs, which are the Song of Storms, the Song of Time, and Sarai's song. So the way it looks is that my left hand is going to be sitting here, my middle finger can go between these two, my right hand will be sitting like this, and my thumbs will be covering and opening these holes right here. Okay, so maybe I should start with a scale. Alright, I'm gonna take this inside because I feel like I need a better setup. So this is a scale. That sounded good. Why do I have to open and close it then? Ah! I need to look at a video. Let's try the second staff.
Yeah, we're with the pet hospital down the street, and I understand you have a dying animal on the premises.
Yes! Haha, that was it! Oh, that is hard. So in order to play high D, I have to keep this pinky here, let go of my thumb on the bottom, like this. the soul. That was it. You know, I'm beginning to realize that this thing really does sound like 26 bucks. Okay, that was pretty fast, and I think we all know that I still stink at this thing, so I have one final goal for myself that I think is a lot better than my original goal.